Every home needs one of these. This is the BLUETTI portable power station. It's like a little mini generator for your house, and then it has all these little plugs like USB-A, USB-C, and then you actually can like plug things in here. DC PV input, DC output. You've got literally everything you need in this little box, and it's lightweight. You know what I'm gonna be using this for? I'm gonna be using this on the deck to blend up some drinks this summer, and I'm also gonna use it like if I wanna bring my treadmill outside. This is the Elite 30 with 600 watts. Like, that shocks me that this little thing has 600 watts, but like, you don't wanna be caught. Like, let's imagine like your power goes out. You got this little baby, you're good to go. This is the glamping hack because you can literally bring everything you need with you. You don't need to like worry about like using the fire for everything. You can just like have all the fun you want. I'm telling you, they're not even that expensive. This is totally worth it. I'll throw this down below. Every home needs one of these. This is the BLUETTI portable power station. It's like a little